What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to manually log the call record. So for that the process is very simple. Make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Click on the link in the description and you will be redirected to this page over here. Once you're logged in with your credentials, obviously that is one thing that you need to have in order to add the manual call logs. So once you are in your account, go to the left hand side, go to the contacts option, and you will be redirected to this page. Here select between the contacts, manually. Go to the contact that you want added. For example, I'm going to go ahead and edit the Gene Sampleton. Here is the option to make a call, send email, see all the deals, add tasks, and all that stuff. But once I click on the three dots over here, it will show me an option, which is just hold on a second. And it says add a call log. Once I click on that, and I'll be able to add it and add a call log manually. So is it was no response, not interested, not able to, or is it interested? So that is the outcome associated with the phone call, existing contact, and name, all the stuff. And if I want to add any sort of notes, I can do that. So I'm just doing it for the test and the conceptual basis for the video purposes. I'm gonna save it as a test, and now you guys can see that I have added a personal call log and I can view the history from here. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see more how to tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.